Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble wrap builds in Fortnite on PC. This popular visual setting simplifies the appearance of structures, making them look less detailed, almost like bubble wrap. This can dramatically enhance your game's frame rate and provide a clearer view during fast-paced engagements. Many competitive players use this technique to gain a slight edge, ensuring smoother gameplay and improved target acquisition. It's a simple change with a big impact. To achieve the bubble wrap effect, first open Fortnite and go into your game settings. Look for the Video or Graphics tab. The key setting here is mesh quality. You'll want to set this to either low or medium. Experiment with both to see which provides the best balance for your system. Additionally, adjusting view distance to near or medium can further enhance the simplified look and boost performance. Beyond mesh quality, there are other settings to fine-tune. Make sure your rendering mode is set to performance mode in the advanced graphics options. This is crucial. Also, turning off shadows and post-processing will significantly reduce visual clutter and improve performance. For an extra boost, try lowering your 3D resolution to somewhere between 80 and 90%. This can make a noticeable difference without severely impacting visual clarity. After making these adjustments, it's essential to test them out. Jump into a custom game or the Creative Hub to see how the bubble wrap builds look and feel. Don't be afraid to experiment. Tweak settings like mesh quality or view distance, one by one, until you find what works best for your specific PC and playstyle. The goal is to achieve optimal performance and visual clarity tailored just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.